Here is the format of receipts and payments account. The main objective of preparing receipts and payment account is to know the cash balance on a particular date. Because this is an account, it is divided into two parts, left hand side and right hand side. The left hand side, receipts are recorded, and one thing you have to remember while preparing receipts and payments account is that all types of receipts and payments are recorded in this account. Whether the transaction is of capital nature or it is of revenue nature, both the transactions are recorded in receipts and payment account. Important thing is that the transaction is related to the cash, whether it is capital or of revenue nature, it is recorded in this account. The left hand side is, you can see that in the receipt side, first of all we have to enter the balance of cash in hand and cash at bank, and after that all the receipts, that is entrance fees, subscription fees received by the organization, interest received, donation received, all the receipts are recorded in the left hand side. And in the right hand side, all the payments are recorded, like by rent and taxes, by salary and wages, by honorarium to secretary, by interest paid, donation given, etc. All types of payments are recorded in the right hand side. Before preparing the receipts and payment account, you must have to write the heading receipts and payment account, followed by the year, for the year ending 31st December like 2019 or 31st March 2019 if it is a financial year. After preparing the receipts and payment account, when you deduct the payments from the receipts, you will have the cash balance at a particular date. Because it is account, it is prepared on the last day of the year to find out the cash balance of the organization on that particular date. Thank you.